Hi everyone, in this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to have a look at using the color match option in Resolve. And so first off, what we want to do is come down to the primary color correction area and then click on the color match icon. That will bring it up and I'll see this. And now what I want to do here is check and look for the color chart that matches the one that was shot with this material. So what I'm going to do here is access the X-Rite Color Checker Classic, because that's what we have here. Next thing I want to do is bring up the color chart. And then all I have to do next is just position the little squares so that they actually fall in the boxes of the color chart. And then I just reposition this a little bit more, like so. That's good. And then what I can do is then come down here and just click on the button match. And now I've got my correction done. To make the reticle go away, all I have to do is click on here, select off, and I'm finished. So for more tips and tricks like this, have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel, and also for more information about training services, have a look at the link in the comments below. Thanks a lot.